back to my channel. I am Sonali. Today I am starting the vlog from my kitchen and you can see I am ready. This video is all about my first trip to beach in UK. Since last few days we have decided to go for picnic and today is the day कि मैं ये मेरा first time है कि मैं कोई beach को visit कर रही हूँ. मुझे सच में पता नहीं अब तक कि UK में beaches कैसे है. So friends, I decided to share this beach experience with you all so that आप भी एक ना एक दिन UK में आने वाले हो. अगर वो बीच अच्छा होगा तो I will show you all everything so that you also can go and spend one day trip over there. Actually we booked the trip with one tour agency. वो हमें मिडलटन से जो है बस टूर हमने बुक किया है. टूर का कॉस्ट है अडल्ट्स के लिए 17 pounds. For kids it's 13 pounds. You have kid below 3 then you don't need to pay anything to them. So this is the one day tour. So friends, now I am waiting for my friend outside my home and she will be coming anytime to pick me up from here. As you all can see, today is the beautiful sunny day and I hope कि आज पूरे दिन ऐसे ही sun रहेगा, बारिश नहीं होगी. I hope so that we can enjoy our picnic fully. So this is my outfit for a day. I just reached near to Club 3000 Bingo and from here we are going to the bus. So this is our bus, Rothwell's Executive. This is the Middleton bus stop and we are starting our journey from here down. We can wash your hands here, but here we need to go down for toilet and there is the exit door as well. Yeah, it's video. This is all my children party, you can see. And the beach is exactly on our back. First I will explore everything and then I will try to show you all what all things to do at Blackpool beach. So friends, this tower is known as Blackpool Tower, is one of the famous tourist attraction here in Blackpool and actually you can go and visit the top of the tower. Top से ये पूरा view आप enjoy कर सकते, but you have to book the ticket. There is a entry ticket to visit the top of the tower. You can see and you can book it online if you want. Then Golden Mile you can see there and see our bad luck. We just get down of the bus and it started raining. Oh my god. All you can see there is Coral Island. It's so huge, you can see this is also Coral Island. And this also looks so good, the structure. It's full of fun zones for kids. There is amusement park. They have bowling as well. I think there is Sea Life Blackpool, that is aquarium. So if you want to visit Sea Life Aquarium, you need to book the ticket prior. I think the adult ticket cost around 27 pounds per person. Sea Life Blackpool. This side is the beach, but as you all can see, the water is very far. You can see the lots of seagulls are there. This is Golden Corporation Transit, so nice. Very beautiful horse ride, you can see. It's so pretty, pink color like princess horse ride. Everywhere these huge things are there and if you can see, it's moving actually with the wind. I got scared for a minute. Before I thought it's steady like statue, but I can see it's moving now with the wind. I will show you all the seagull, how they look. This is the first time I am seeing the seagull. This whole side is full of amusement park, aquarium, theaters, fish and chips, food shops. Everything is there. So it's really a very big beach and with lots of activities to do here. I have seen on the way there is one water park as well. If possible, I will share that pictures also with you all. It's so windy today. It feels nice to walk here on the beach side, but I really want to go inside near to the sea and just feel the water. Is it really cold? Because everybody is telling here in UK you can't actually go to water because it's extremely cold. So I just wanted to touch that once. So now we come to the world small micro kite for kids.
About 5 kites.
And this is for
3 kites. Have you got 3 pounds?
color you are taking? Red. Both are red. We'll see the world's smallest kite now.
Yeah. Enjoy, buddy.
Release slowly, and then hold it up. Yay! Oh, nice. It's nice to see. You can see sun is hiding between the clouds. Please, sun, come out. So here we can see I think there is a replica of Madame Tussauds here in Blackpool as well. Actually, the original Madame Tussauds is located at London. You can see the Spider-Man and the various film actors, celebrities. Their wax statues are there inside. Different varieties of shell. God, this is box full of shell. So nice. Different varieties of shell. This is also shell for 250 rupees. They have collected so many shells, beautiful shells. This is turtle.
Coconut, I think.
Coconut, yeah, made up of coconut for 4.99, around 500 rupees. It's good. Dream catcher. These all are fridge magnets. You can see different varieties. Blackpool, fish and chips, ice cream. Puppy. You wear the costume and they can do a photo shoot for us, and photo will be done like this. So you can wear any of these costumes and you can click photos with your family and loved ones. It's good, like vintage Victorian photography. You can see so many varieties. So many varieties of fish. This is a palm mystery. Those who can read our lines, हाथ की लकीरें पढ़ के किस्मत बताते यहाँ पे, fortune telling. I don't know how much it costs, but it looks quite interesting, no Sarah? So many people have come to us. Oh my God, really? The Princess Diana also a Pirates Bay family bar. It's again a game zone. So it's like our Indian game zone only. So many games are there. Oh, you know this gift? We may get chance to gift something. But for that we need to see first which is the nearest gift. So many gifts are there. I love it.
Reach the sky.
This is the target shooting game. If we don't shoot the target, they will pour the water on us. I will show you all. Can you see he just poured the water? It's pouring water. We got this ball. So, yay! Finally, after 10 minutes of effort. So this is like souvenir shop. Blackpool. We started making churros. So it is first they are frying the churros and then they can cover with the topping. So I asked for Oreo topping. This is the first time I'm trying the churros. Can you see how this machine is making the churros?
Oh my god.
Oreo. So I'm eating the churros now. I'm eating this first time. I like it. It's hot and a little sweet. It's same like eating donuts but in different shape. So now we just came to eat near to one shop. It's traditional chippy, where we can try the traditional authentic fish and chips here. I will be showing you all. See the interior. You can see the fish and chips prices. So finally we got all this gift from this game and this chocolate as well. Now we are playing for this small bunny. Hope we'll get this small bunny. So these are the bottles for £5 and we can take any of this gola into this. Good? Is it good? Friends, now we finish eating our fish and chips and finally rain is stopped. अभी वापस sunny day हो गया है and it looks so amazing. पानी भी थोड़ा बाहर आ गया है, पहले बहुत दूर था. And I'm standing in front of the beach and I'm going to see how is the water here now. I just buy it because मेरे साथ में तो छोटा बच्चा था, वो रोने लग गया था, तो इसके लिए मैंने खरीद लिया. This ice gola is for £5, 500 rupees का ice gola. पानी. So friends, finally I am at beach side और पानी ठंडा तो है but इतना भी नहीं है. It's okay, like same. I am feeling like it's same cold as जितना इंडिया में रहता है उतना ही cold है. So it's nice. I'm feeling very happy over here because since I come back from India, जनवरी में मैं घर से वापस आई थी यूके में और मैं तब से कोई भी बीच पे नहीं गई थी एंड दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट बीच आई एम विजिटिंग इन यूके एंड आई लाइक इट ओवर हियर। ये मुंबई में अगर आप में से कोई मुंबई गए हैं वहाँ पे अगर आपने गिरगांव चौपाटी देखा होगा तो गिरगांव के जैसा ही सेम बीच है। सिर्फ डिफरेंस इतना है कि वहाँ पे गिरगांव चौपाटी में बीच पे ही सब फूड स्टॉल्स है, यहाँ पे फूड स्टॉल एक भी आपको बीच पे नहीं दिखेगा और मे बी दैट इज़ द रीज़न ये बहुत क्लीन है। फूड स्टॉल्स नहीं है तो कोई भी वेस्ट भी यहाँ पे थ्रो नहीं कर रहा है। ऑल द फूड स्टॉल्स और बीच के सामने जो आपको एक रोड जा रहा है उसके अपोजिट में यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो पीछे सो सभी स्टॉल्स, अम्यूजमेंट पार्क, एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर। यहाँ पे एक भी नहीं है। सो दिस इज़ नाइस बीच। बहुत सारे गेम्स है यहाँ पे। इंडिया में जैसे मेला होता है वैसे यहाँ पे ये हर रोज़ का फिक्स ही मेला है एंड आई जस्ट लव इट। आई रियली लव दिस ब्लैकपूल बीच। अगर आप भी यूके में और आप बीच साइड वैकेशन करना चाहते हो वन डे के लिए देन ब्लैकपूल इज़ अ गुड प्लेस। जैसे कि मैंने दिखाया ये वीडियो में बहुत कुछ है, अम्यूजमेंट पार्क है, देन द फन गेम्स है and lots of things are there, so many things to eat as well and फिर बीच तो है ही जहाँ पे आप आके एंजॉय कर सकते हो, पानी में खेल सकते हो। 2-3 donkey and they are doing donkey rides here. Literally people are paying money to sit on the donkey ride. यहाँ पे लोग पैसे देके गधे पे बैठ रहे हैं।
Hey, look, go back again. There's no need to.
Now the beach is becoming more and more crowded. So many people came now. Somebody is playing Hindi songs in my background. I think they are from India or Pakistan. They are playing old Bollywood songs. पहले जब हम आए सुबह तक पानी बहुत अंदर था. Now you can see almost यहाँ तक आ गया एज तक and I think within 1 hour it will come near to this near to the stairs and आप देख सकते हो बीच पे अभी कितना ज़्यादा भीड़ हो गया है. जब भी हम आए तभी इतना भीड़ नहीं था. We just buy donuts. These are 5 donuts for £4. You can see 1 scoop of ice cream for £3. That's good. So much variety. Strawberry, chocolate, Beckwelry, mint flavor, Buskoff, sticky toffee, lemon cheese cake. Wow. So I will be buying some ice cream from this shop. They have different flavors and I will be trying Ferrero Rocher ice cream here. Let's see how it tastes. I buy this cap here by the way for £5. I like it. Come here. So this is our Ferrero Rocher ice cream. So this Ferrero Rocher ice cream is for £5 and it's exactly tasting like Ferrero Rocher. This car I want to win. This one. This game is so addictive. We come to play this game again and this time I'm trying to win this small kitchen car. Machine. We just need to put £1, that is 100 rupees. Indian 100 rupees. For £1 they will give this much money and we can play the game. For £1 I think we are getting total how many coins? maybe 30 coins. 30. So finally, we managed to hold this car and this monkey and one more kitchen. I will be showing you all. We are happy. ऑफ दिस ब्रिज लाइक ये जो पानी में इन्होंने ऐसे बनाया है अम्यूजमेंट पार्क के लिए, इसके वजह से हम बहुत सी के अंदर आ सकते हैं. आप देख सकते हैं सी पीछे वहाँ तक गया है. इट्स वेरी वेरी ट्रिप. माय गॉड, इन्होंने यहाँ पे कुछ तो बैरिकेड लगाना चाहिए था बिकॉज इट्स सो रिस्की. किड्स एंड ऑल आर mistakenly they're standing and they look down, there is chances to fall down, so it's better to keep some barricades. But yeah, it's nice place to see. Beautiful to see the system. It's so huge. So now it's 4 o'clock and our bus will be coming back at around 5, so we have one more hour to enjoy. So one more time I got this game. That game is really so addictive. I play here and I got this. Really, it's coming out now. All lights are on now and it's raining.
So friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I just wanted to give you all one suggestion. There are so many other things to do which I could not cover in this video because it's just a small few hours trip. You need minimum 2 days to enjoy the Blackpool fully. Please, if you are going with the family, try to stay there for one night and enjoy it fully. Thank you for watching. Bye bye Blackpool. So friends, it's 5 o'clock in the evening. Time to go back to home now. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.